Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Although the Galaxy S24 just launched, Samsung is already hard at work on its next big release. We've gathered all the rumors and leaks to give you a sneak peek at what might be the most exciting smartphone of 2025. Stick around to find out about the design, performance, camera upgrades, and more. Let's kick things off with the design and display. A recent leak hints that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a sleek curved design reminiscent of the Galaxy Note 7. It's also rumored to be the thinnest Ultra device yet, with a total thickness of just 8.4 millimeter. Samsung might keep the titanium frame introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, ensuring durability and a premium feel. As for the display, we might see a slight increase in size. The S25 Ultra is rumored to sport a 6.9-inch screen, up from the S24 Ultra's 6.8 inches, and if Samsung continues to play the brightness game, we could see the peak brightness exceed the current 2600 nits, making it one of the brightest displays on the market. Cameras are always a highlight for Samsung's Ultra models. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to bring some exciting upgrades. Current rumors suggest an improvement to the wide-angle and ultra-wide lenses, potentially boosting the ultra-wide from 12 to 50 megapixel. There's also talk of variable capabilities for the telephoto lens, which could mean smoother zoom transitions, especially when shooting video. Although there's speculation about Samsung reducing the number of lenses, most sources agree we'll still see significant advancements in camera technology. Performance-wise, we're looking at the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Early benchmarks suggest this chip could match or even surpass Apple's upcoming A15 Bionic, promising a top-notch speed and efficiency. Some models might use the Exynos 2500 chipset, continuing Samsung's trend of varying components by region. As for battery life, with a more powerful processor and potentially brighter display, Samsung will need to balance power consumption carefully. We're hopeful for optimizations that ensure the S25 Ultra keeps you going all day long. Now, when can we expect to see the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Historically, Samsung has been pushing its release dates earlier each year. While it's still a bit early for a definitive timeline, we anticipate a mid-January 2025 launch, avoiding any overlap with CES. In terms of price, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might see another increase. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's premium features could drive up costs. Expect more concrete pricing rumors as we approach the end of 2024. So there you have it, all the latest rumors and leaks about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its sleek design and incredible display to the powerhouse performance and camera upgrades. It looks like Samsung is gearing up for another impressive release. What are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the Galaxy S25 Ultra and other tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.